This is the perfect time to invest your money. Your money will grow in value and work for you only if you invest it, and that too, very smartly. Well, in this financial video, we will be telling you about the 10 best investments that will make you rich. These investments are suggested by millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett. Watch the video till the end, or you may miss some important guidelines. Now let's start. 1. High-yield savings accounts. As a first step toward investing, opening a high-yield savings account is a logical next step from managing your money day to day. A solid foundation for investments may be found in high-yield savings accounts, which, like cash management accounts and online savings accounts, provide greater interest rates than the savings and checking accounts offered by most banks. These accounts, which function similarly to regular savings accounts, provide interest rates and are sometimes provided by bond or brokerage organizations. 2. Real estate. Then and still, real estate is a reliable investment. Real estate investments, flats, homes, commercial facilities, etc., may give long-term advantages, such as bonds, to protect your retirement money or improve your children's future. Rental properties provide monthly income and rise in value without active management, making real estate a passive income source. Property loans are simple. A little initial investment is generally enough since interest rates are often lower than expected returns, and most real estate investors borrow 75% to 94% of the investment buying price. Before investing in real estate, consider doing some basic research. Your fate depends on financial commitments. High market liquidity lets you purchase and sell various assets in seconds. A real estate investment demands patience and cannot be sold soon without a loss. 3. Cryptocurrency. Despite market volatility, cryptocurrencies may make big money. Learn about Bitcoin and Ethereum before investing in cryptocurrencies. Avoid crypto disinformation on social media by verifying facts. The production of money for various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, is limited. Thus, price rises are reduced. Since they make money transfer simpler, cryptocurrencies offer investors great liquidity. Transacting money may take minutes. Despite being decentralized, cryptocurrencies have concentrated ownership. 100 addresses own 15% of Bitcoin. Terra, Solana, and AMP are instances of risky cryptocurrency investments that got investors destitute and homeless. 4. Government bonds. Government bonds are a kind of debt security that governments issue to finance public spending and fulfill financial commitments. Coupon payments are a typical feature of government bonds, which are low-risk assets issued and guaranteed by national governments. If you are an investor looking for a low-risk way to get a small but consistent income stream, consider purchasing government bonds. These bonds function similarly to high-yield savings accounts. Investing in government bonds has many advantages, one of which is the tax refunds it offers. Liquidity is provided by the massive trading volume of government bonds. 5. Corporate bonds funds. Although private bonds may be issued by local governments, agencies, and businesses, most people associate bonds with federal governments. Investments in corporate bonds make up more than 80% of a corporate bond fund's holdings. Companies issue these bonds to pay for things like working capital, advertising, and insurance premiums that are due in the near future. Bond ETFs are a good option for investors who want a diverse bond portfolio but don't want to deal with the study and purchase of individual bonds. Those who are just starting out or who like to play it safe can consider purchasing bond funds because of their low entry barrier. Investors may choose from a wider range of corporate bond funds, including those with varying maturities, short, medium, and long-term bonds, as well as perpetual bonds. 6. Growth stocks. Even though stocks are our investment area, we thought it would be beneficial to go more deeply into the other varieties. According to popular belief, investing in growth companies is the quintessential stock market tale. Your money grows in value, and you get rich. Clearly, investing in the real world differs from the idealized versions seen in Hollywood. One common high-return technique is investing in growth companies, which may increase your wealth but also expose you to more risk. 7. Dividend stock funds. Dividend stock funds, like growth stocks, reflect public stock trading sentiment. They have distinct goals and ROI methodologies. Every 3 months, firm investors get dividends. Different from growth equities, funds buy dividend-paying corporations as a single entity. You earn quarterly dividends for owning dividend stocks. It's the finest investment, right? It's complicated despite its perks. Strong companies may pay dividends. With dividend stocks, you may profit and grow. Like stocks, dividends are tax-free until the investor sells them, offering you greater tax reporting flexibility. These advantages make dividend stock funds popular. Risks and downsides exist. Like all equities, split stock funds may lose everything. A firm may lower dividends due to policy changes. Dividend-heavy sectors or stock markets may be harmful for concentrated investors. 8. Small-cap stocks. Independent enterprises offer small-cap stocks. This technique aims to find the diamond in the rough, like Amazon and Google began with small-cap stocks. Keep penny and small-cap stocks apart. Axos Financial and Papa John's utilize them. Under some conditions, small-cap enterprises may provide high profits. You may invest in small-cap or large-cap companies. This investing approach assumes future success will boost firm stock value. Because fast-growing firms may retrace, lowering share prices, small-cap stocks are more volatile. Compared to other stocks, small-cap firms' limited market presence highlights your liquidity issues. Investors are less interested in unknown stocks. 9. Roth IRA. The Roth IRA is a popular American retirement savings instrument. Politicians, financial experts, and the media discuss it. Roth IRAs enable post-tax contributions. Open a Roth IRA for at least 5 years to grow your money tax-free and withdraw at 59.5. Despite not investing, a Roth IRA invests retirement savings. People who wish to invest in bonds for the future should utilize it since it protects their money. Roth IRAs provide the most security of this video's investments. A Roth IRA has no risks or downsides, but you should examine several aspects before investing. Standard Roth IRA contributions in 2024 are $7,000, while the limit for individuals 50 and over is $8,000. Shopping around for Roth IRA insurance is vital since it varies from bank accounts. 10. Precious metals. Precious metals could be a solid item for investors seeking a real return during uncertain economic times. For the long haul, many people put their money into gold, but other metals like silver are also viable options. That's all for today. Now you know all the best investments that will actually make you rich in 2024. All the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Charlie Munger, Robert Kiyosaki have invested in these assets, and that's why they suggest people to do the same. If you want to get rich and know the best financial tips and tricks, then do press the subscribe button below. We regularly upload amazing financial videos, so pressing the subscribe button will actually prove to be beneficial for you. You may get rich by earning more and more money, but investing the money cautiously and carefully will actually make it work for you and help it grow without any problem. If you loved watching this financial video, then do press the like button. This small action motivates us to make more amazing videos. You must invest in these assets to see your money grow. Add a comment below if you want to know more about this topic. Share this video with all of your friends and family members and also with all of your colleagues for them to learn. Thanks for watching the video till here.